Hi. To set up a payment processing account, whether you're going to use it just for requiring a card on file from clients or you want to use our payment terminal for all of your payments, you'll begin by going to the menu icon and going to Settings, and then going to Payment Processing. Now, you won't be able to access this page properly unless you've put an address under your Salon profile. So be sure you've done that first. Then go to Payment Processing and simply select Set Up Payment Processing. And that's going to bring you to another site where you're going to enter your email address, then you're going to enter a phone number, click Submit, and follow the steps. And within a couple of minutes, you should have a Stripe payment account set up within SalonMonster.